So to add any accessible equipment to your booking, when you go to the Book Online calendar, I'll walk you through the process. So if you click the Book Online tab in the top right corner, you can then scroll down and you can see the calendar for bookings. So I'm going to pretend that I'm booking a holiday in Hipley for 4 nights, and I have to put the number of people in before it'll give me a price. And then I press book now, and that brings up the next step of the booking. And it's really simple. All you do is scroll down to section 5 under the extras, which is access equipment, and that gives you a full list of all the different accessible equipment that you can book. And if you click on it, I'll give you a little bit more information. So for example, if I click on the alternating air mattress, it will show me a picture and it will show me a little description of the item as well, so you can check that it's suitable for you. All you do is you would add one to your booking like that, and it just takes a second to process, and then it's there. You can scroll down again and check that it is, and then you go to the next step by pressing continue at the bottom, and that's all there is to it. Nice and simple.